Hello ladies and gentlemen, this is the last video I have for the 6th of April game at Bunker51. There was one more game we played after this, which was sort of a free-for-all, but my GoPro ran out of battery and they turned the lights off halfway through anyway, so it would have been fun to listen to, maybe, but you really couldn't see anything. It's difficult when there's low light here anyway, but with no lights, it's pretty impossible. But this is a capture the nuts, got some nuts challenge thing, so we just gotta go and grab some nuts one at a time. So I hope you enjoy it. It is a ruffle stomp of a victory. Our team was fantastic, we played this perfectly. Just absolutely great team effort there, but I hope you enjoy it and I'll catch you at the end.
You go, boy. Go. Go, 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 go. Hit! Go. It's a big question to get out of here. Yeah! Careful! I can't. Go down and tell me. There's no way I can. I need to cover this side. Oh! How many do you see? How many do you see? Hit! Hey! Keep moving forwards! You're gonna do no good camping at the back!
You gonna find it? He's run check out.
Let's go! Come on, keep pushing forwards! Oh, that was close. Oh, hit. Keep moving forwards! Forwards! Come on! Nice! How many can you see? Sorry.
Let's go get some bullets.
I'm ready, are you? Is there anyone around the corner further past it?
Let's go.
Oh, careful, careful, careful! Red! Doorway, doorway! Where are they shooting from? Nice! Well done! Just keep moving forward. The best thing to do is just keep pushing forward. Watch out. Okay, guys. Watch out! Nicely done, Jesus, that guy. Keep moving forward, come on. Come on, one of you. Sorry. Sorry. You got one? No. Right in the arse. How is this guy not getting hit? Jesus. This fucking machine. Just go, come on.
And that is the end of this video. I hope you enjoyed it. There won't be another one for a little while. I think the next game is in May sometime. I'll be going to that one, but they've closed the site around the time that I'm actually getting my laser eye surgery, which is fantastic. So I wouldn't be able to play otherwise. if they had a game on, but they're not, so I'm going to be playing on the next game there. I think it's like May the 12th or something like that, right in time for my birthday on the 19th, which is fantastic. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you enjoy these videos. I don't know whether to edit these heavily and make it sort of a best bits and have a 6-minute video of the entire night, or whether I should upload the entire thing, or do both. I don't know. I'm just doing the videos of every single game. I mean, we don't play many games. It's only over about a 3.5-4 hour period, so you know, try to maximize that time into video is difficult sometimes. But hopefully I'll be playing outside again soon. I'll probably go back up home and do some stuff there. It'll be fantastic. I love playing outdoors. I like it more than playing CQB, although CQB is lots of fun. But it's just nice to be out in the open air where there's much more light and the quality of the video is just fantastic, and there's some time for some real tactical maneuvers and some nice lone wolfing and stuff like that. So I hope you enjoy the video, and I will catch you again later. But before that, don't forget to leave a comment, rate the video, subscribe for more if you do so wish. I appreciate it. Thanks. Bye.